Hi everyone, welcome back to English class. Children, have you heard the proverb honesty is the best policy? I think all of you have heard it before. Okay children, I am here with a beautiful story related to the proverb honesty is the best policy. Let's listen. The name of our lesson is the golden plate. Children, in a small town there lived two peddlers. Peddlers means one who is selling the things door to door. I think you have seen it before. Someone is coming to our home and selling the things and going to other home for selling the same. Am I right now? That means peddlers. Here two peddlers are there. Their names are Chandran and Pamban. They were good friends. They were living by selling the things made of brass and tin. But to avoid selling them at the same place, they divided the street between them. The Pamban went to one direction and Chandran also went to one direction. One day the Chandran was selling the things. That time a young girl saw that and she wanted to buy a brass hand mirror. But she was very poor. Her parents also lost before. She was staying with her grandmother. Then she asked her grandmother, "Hey grandma, I want to buy a brass hand mirror." Then that time her grandmother told, "Hey young girl, I am very poor. I have no money to buy that." But that time our young girl thought, it's a good idea to exchange the things. Then what can we exchange? Here she got an idea. Then she told, an old plate has been lying there unused for years. Then that time our grandmother told, "Hey, I can't give that, because I am keeping that place for the memory of your grandfather, because he had eaten the food in that old plate." But she cried a lot. Like that, you also pretending to cry for getting something, no? Am I right? Okay, the same thing she also tried there. At last, the grandmother agreed for exchanging the old plate. Then they called Chandran. And when he came to the home, the grandmother told everything that they are very poor, we have no money to give you, but my young girl wants a brass hand mirror, we will exchange the old plate. He agreed that. But when he gave that old plate, he could feel something. He felt that it's somewhat heavy, but he is very greedy and cunning. Have you seen that type of persons? Very greedy and cunning. And he scratched at the edge of the plate. Then he could see it's shining. Then he could understand it's made of gold. But he is very greedy and cunning, no? Then he told, this plate is worth nothing. And he threw that plate and he laughed from there. But when he is leaving that place, he thought that grandmother will call him back. But they didn't call him. After some time, Pamban was going through that way for checking his luck on the same place Chandran had sold the things. That a young girl could see that. Then she called Pamban also for buying the brass hand mirror. When he came to the home, the grandmother told everything that they are very poor, they have no money to give, but they are giving an old plate for exchanging. Pamban also agreed that. When the grandmother gave that plate to Pamban, he also could felt something heavy. Then he also scratched at the edge of the plate. Then he could understand the plate is made of gold. But he is not cunning. He is very honest man. Then he told them, "Ma'am, I will give the hand mirror and everything else I have for this." But the grandmother and young girl had no idea about it. Then the Pamban took the boat fare only from his money and gave all money and all things to them. And he left the place. Then that time the Chandran was coming through that way for collecting back that old plate. Then now I am ready to exchange the old plate. Please give me. And then the grandmother told everything what happened there before. Then he felt sad. Then he could understand that peddler is, of course, he is Pamban. Then he ran away to the boat jetty. But before he reached the boat jetty, the Pamban had started the journey. But what happened last? When the Pavan reached his town, he sold the gold plate and collected money back, and he became the rich man. Okay, children, what did you understand from this story? Honesty is the best policy. Honesty succeeded here. Okay, son, I think you understood the story. Am I right? Okay, children, now let's go through the exercise part.